Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. Guys, this is going to be for my Libra. We'll see what's in store for you in your love life. We'll see what is your person thinking about, what are you thinking about them, and where is this heading to, the most probable outcome. Okay, so guys, keep in mind that these are general readings that will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. If you're a cross watcher, you can always switch the energies and reverse the roles as it suits you. Okay, for personal readings, you can always get in touch with me if you want to know the most probable outcome for you, be it one question or two questions. I have mentioned all the details below in the description box. You can get in touch with me there. Okay, so let's see, Libra, what do we have in store for you? Any message for my Libra? The source, traveling. Okay, morality, three cards for your person now. Okay, rebirth, friendliness, and healing. Libra, I see that some of you are trying to connect to your own self. Could be that you're going inwards, could be that you're getting more spiritual day by day. See, this card means that you're trying to go inwards, you're trying to know the reality of life, like you're trying to go deeper within yourself. You're trying to find out what is it that you really want, what is it that you really desire the most, what is it that gives you happiness, what is it that doesn't serve you anymore. I feel this is something that's telling me that you are kind of trying to connect with the spiritual world. You're trying to connect with God, you're trying to connect with universe. You are searching for some answers, Libra. It's like you don't know where are you, what are you doing, where are you heading to. You're just going with the flow. This is all about going with the flow. Okay, so that is what I see here. Some of you, I see that you're going to travel very soon. Okay, so maybe you're planning a trip with, this could be with your person, this could be with your family member, or this could be anything. Some of you, maybe you're traveling for work. Okay, so that is something I see. Morality, this also says, this card says that some of you are trying to balance what is right and what is wrong. It's like you want to do things, but you don't want to do things in a wrong way. It's like you want to be right and then go forward in life. It's like this is something that says, I'm getting a message that you don't want to do anything wrong that is against the law of universe. It's like you're trying to change yourself. You want to do things which will serve you in the long run. Like you want to reap good seeds, you don't want to reap rotten seeds, you don't want to reap bad seeds. So this card is trying to tell me that you are trying to do things by being right. Like you don't want to hurt anybody, you don't want to give pain to anybody, you want to be on the right path, you don't want to get hurt either. Okay, this is something that tells me that you are in this mind frame, Libra, where you're trying to do things, but you're trying to do things in a way that everybody around you benefits. Like you benefit and others too. Like you are, I see you following a divine path, Libra. Maybe you have chosen a right path all of a sudden. You may have had some realizations about you yourself in your life, and you're kind of changing, Libra, changing for good. Okay, that's what I see here. Now, as far as your person is concerned, Libra, this is somebody who is starting fresh. Okay, you're dealing with somebody who wants a rebirth. Now whether is it with you or with somebody else, I will find out that very soon. Okay, so this is somebody who wants to be friends with you. I don't know, maybe some of you are in separation or you're not talking to each other. I don't know, I feel that this is somebody who wants to be friends with you. Okay, they want to be at least a friend with you. That is what they are thinking, Libra. This person doesn't want to let you go. They want to be a friend to you, like they want you in their life even as a friend. Okay, this is what I feel. Healing, I feel that your person is healing. This person is healing. Now what is this about? I will find out more. Okay, but this person is healing. Maybe they have gone through a lot of lately, Libra. So let's see what is this all about. Okay, we'll go deeper. So Libra, let's see what do we have in store for you. Okay, I got the first card, that is 10 of Wands. You're feeling overburdened. Your heart is getting heavier day by day. We have the Prince of Pentacles in reverse. Prince of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. What else, Libra? Okay, I think I have one more card which I already got. That is the Princess of Pentacles. Two of Swords and Three of Wands. I think I'll take all three as it is because I got it here. Libra, as far as your current situation is concerned, I feel that you are overburdened with some responsibilities. Could be responsibilities in your family. This could be in your work life. Some of you are stressing over a decision that you may have made, like you're stressing over a decision that you have recently taken, Libra. Okay, what is this decision about? The Three of Wands, Two of Swords and Princess of Pentacles. Yeah, you have taken a decision, Libra. Three of Wands is, I think you're leaving somebody behind and moving forward. Okay, that is because you feel that you never got the commitment or the love that you wanted from this person, and I see you moving on, Libra. Okay, I see you moving on. You have made up your mind. Maybe you're exploring some other options. Maybe you already have. I will find out more soon, but I see you moving on. But you have made a decision to move on in life, leave somebody behind, but with a heavy heart. Like you're moving on but not very happy about it. This is taking a toll on your heart, like you feel burdened, you feel overburdened. You gave this person a lot of time, Libra. You did think about this person a lot. I think you're done thinking. You don't want to stay stuck in a particular situation, and I see you moving forward. This is saying, we have the Ten of Wands, Prince of Pentacles, Three of Wands, Two of Swords, and we have the Princess of Pentacles in reverse. This means, Libra, I see you leaving somebody behind. This could be a situation, this is a person. For most of you, you're leaving your person and moving behind. It's like you have, see, with the Two of Swords reverse, you have made the decision to move forward. Some of you, you're waiting for somebody else, like you're waiting for the right person. You're waiting for a new person to show up in your life so that you can connect, or you can fall in love with that person, or you want to explore some other relationships, Libra. Okay, I see you moving forward but with a heavy heart. I feel that you had no choice but to move forward. That is what I see. Okay, now let's see what is your person thinking about you, Libra. We'll see their energy. We have the Chariot. I have 3 cards. I'll take as it is. Okay, Libra, with the Hermit, Four of Cups, Chariot, I feel that your person too is moving on. It's mutual. You both are moving on in life. They don't want you, you don't want them. With a heavy heart. Like, I won't say that this person never loved you. This person had love for you, but I see you both moving on. See, they're not happy with you either, Libra. Okay, you may have, I don't know, for some of you, I feel that this person was never really happy with you, Libra. This person felt that maybe something in their heart said that maybe you are not the one for them. This person waited, they did think a lot, but I see them making a choice. Like, I see you both making a choice, Libra. Okay, maybe sometimes it so happens that two good people, they refuse to work on a connection, or they refuse to compromise, and then they are left with no other choice but to end this connection and move on. That's the energy that I see, which is why I said rebirth. See, I have this card here, the source here, rebirth here, healing here. But whatever it is, this person is not happy with this decision. Like, they can feel you emotionally, Libra. Okay, this is somebody who has a soft corner for you, but then I see them moving on. You can see this Chariot. I feel that this person is somebody who never gave you their time, never gave you the attention that you needed. They did not invest in this connection enough. And I think maybe you waited a lot, Libra. You waited, and finally you are done. You are like, I can't wait anymore. I have to make a choice. I have to move on. And I see you moving on. That's the energy that I have for you now, Libra. So let's see what happened between you and this person in the past. We'll see the past. And okay, I'm so sorry, I have one more card, Libra. Six of Cups. I don't know, for some of you, I feel that your person has met somebody from their past. This person, there is somebody who has come in this person's life recently. Six of Cups. Okay, this could be someone from their past who has come back in this person's life, and maybe this person is moving forward with this person. Okay, it's like your person is choosing somebody else over you, and you have realized this maybe, and I see you moving on to, Libra. Okay, it's a mutual energy. You both are moving on in life, which is very beautiful. With a heavy heart though. Now we have the Emperor and Eight of Wands here, and two more cards. Yeah, exactly two I got. The Wheel in reverse and the King of Swords. Libra, I feel that some of you may have met somebody. Okay, this was a beautiful connection. This person may have come in your life all of a sudden from nowhere. You just connected. This was going very smooth. This was a very strong connection. See, we have the Emperor and Eight of Wands, which means that you literally felt that this is the one for you. You literally felt that you're going to get married to this person. Like, I see you were very happy about this connection, Libra. See, this is something, I mean, you both may have spent some good times with each other. You were very happy with this person. You built a lot of dreams. You had some big hopes from this person, Libra. Okay, and what did they do to you is the Wheel. This has come in reverse. The Wheel in reverse and the King of Swords. This person went cold on you, Libra. This is somebody who stopped talking to you all of a sudden. This is somebody who refused. You know, I see King of Swords with a Wheel says to me, the message that I'm getting here is, Libra, that this person, they were not willing to change their old ways for you. This is somebody who is very rigid. They want things their way. This is somebody who was not quite open in this connection to this relationship with you. This is somebody who may have gone silent, or this is somebody who was not investing enough, like King of Swords here with the Hermit and Four of Cups. I feel that this person was not very happy. Like, they were going with the flow, but not, they were with you maybe, but they were not very happy with you. That is what I see. This is somebody who may have accepted you in their life because they felt, let's go with the flow and see where it takes. Okay, so this is their energy. They were with you, but then they were not happy. See, we have the Four of Cups. They were not very happy with you right from the start. They may have not told you, or maybe they may have said to some of you, maybe they may have told you that they are not connecting, they need some time. Okay, this is somebody who was not very sure right from the start. They were just kind of going with the flow, but I think no more. This person has made up their mind to move forward in life, and I see that they are talking to somebody else. Six of Cups, Chariot. This person is connecting with somebody else, and I think they have chosen somebody else. Now let's see. So let's see, Libra, what's going on in your mind. We'll see what's going on in your mind. What are you thinking about this person now? We'll see what's going on in your mind, Libra. We have the Prince of Swords was in reverse. I'll take as it is. I see the Judgment here and Prince of Cups too in reverse. See, we have the Prince of Swords in reverse, Judgment and Prince of Cups. Libra, I'm very sure, I think you have made a decision already. With the Prince of Swords and Prince of Cups, I feel that you have made a decision to drop one person. Okay, Prince of Swords, you were actively investing a lot in this person. Some of you were keeping a close check on this person, like their daily whereabouts, where are they going, who are they talking to, who are they meeting. You were keeping a very close watch on that person, but I see you kind of withdrawing, like you're thinking of withdrawing, and you're withdrawn, not just thinking. I see you withdrawing. Okay, so I feel that you have made up your decision to end this connection and drop this person, because there is no forward movement here, and you don't see this person giving you any commitment, or this person being right by your side when you need them, Libra. So you feel that this person is never there and you are withdrawing, Libra. Okay, so let's see what is going on in this person's mind now. We have the Empress, the Tower and the Strength, all three cards in reverse. Libra, I said that this person with the Empress in reverse and Strength in reverse, they are moving on too. You both are moving on, Libra. For some of you, I feel that this person is healing. Okay, I think this is done. Like most of you may have ended this connection already. For some of you, this is you could be going through it now, or you're going to go through it. Like you both, this is the mutual energy. You both are ending this connection. Okay, they don't want to work on this connection either, Libra. The Strength in reverse, they went through a lot. This person has gone through a lot. They went through a lot of pain. You too, I'm not just saying they, you both have been through a lot, but I see you both ending this connection. Okay, it's like you both may have made up your mind. Two more cards. I need two more cards, Libra. I need, okay, I got two cards here exactly. One is the King of Pentacles. Oh shit, I was trying to ignore this, but this has come again. So this is here and this is here. Libra, King of Pentacles, the High Priestess and Prince of Wands. I feel you have a strong commitment in your life already. This could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This could be an Aries, Leo, Saggy. With the High Priestess, this could be a Pisces too. Okay, so some of you have met a new person, but you're not actively investing in that connection. You're not paying attention to this person, Libra. Okay, like you're being asked to follow your intuition. The problem is you are not listening to your intuition. Your intuition is guiding you to move forward, but you're not. So maybe there is somebody else in your life already, but you're not investing in that connection. Prince of Wands definitely says that when this person was there with you, Libra, maybe you were taking things too fast. That is what has spoiled this connection. Okay, for some of you, I feel that you were impatient. You were very impatient. You wanted things immediately. And this is somebody, you're dealing with somebody who is very slow. They take a lot of time to think, they take a lot of time to take a decision. You're dealing with somebody who is very slow, so you wanted everything fast, fast, fast. So that is also what has affected this connection. Like, you were very impatient in this connection, Libra. Okay, for the others of you, your intuition is guiding you to focus on somebody else, but maybe you are not, you're refusing to listen to your intuition. Yeah, so that is one thing. Five of Pentacles in reverse. As far as your person is concerned, Libra, the problem is this person did not stick by your side. You know what this person did was, they left you when you needed them the most. You know what I see with the Five of Pentacles in reverse, this has come as a challenge, this has come as a problem. You know, the problem with this person that you're dealing with, Libra, is that this person left you when you really needed them the most, which is why I see you moving on. This is like this person abandoned you, or they were not investing enough, they did not give you the time, they were ignoring your message, your calls, or whatever it is. So that's the problem. This person was never really there when you needed them, and finally I see you making a decision. See, the judgment is by your side, so I think you have made a decision to move on in life, Libra. Okay, so let's see something else. So let's see what are the future energies, Libra, for you and this person. Let's see what's coming up next for you now in this connection. Let's see what's coming up next for you, Libra. We'll see what's coming up next. Okay. Oh my God, this is beautiful. The sun, the world. Okay. Ten of Swords, the sun with the world, and King of Swords. Libra, I see you I see you starting a new chapter of your life, but I don't see you open to it. Like, you know that you have to move forward, but with the world in reverse and King of Swords in reverse, I feel that, you know, you are not still actively moving forward. Like, you may have made the decision to move forward, but you're stuck somewhere. Like, you know, you're still stuck on this person. I don't know, I feel that you were emotionally invested on this person. Like, you literally, I feel that you are in a place where some of you could be going through depression. Okay, this is something very sad. This is a sad energy that's coming up here for you, Libra. So I see you, see, this is a new person, a new life, a new chapter that awaits you, but I don't see you actively putting efforts there. It's like somehow energetically you are connected to this person still. King of Wands reverse. You still are hoping, what if this person comes back? What if this person gives you a second chance? So that is what I see here. Now let's see the future energy for your person. Oh my God. Six of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Two of Cups. Libra, I see this person, I feel that this person has made a choice. They have already made a choice. This person had choices and they have chosen somebody. This could be an Aries, Leo, Saggy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn that they may be connecting with. So this person this person has made a choice, not may have. So maybe they have made a choice. They are choosing somebody else. I feel that you are still stuck here, Libra. You're still stuck to this person, but I see this person moving on. Okay, they were confused. Not that they did not think about you. They thought a lot. They thought a lot. In fact, this person is somebody who may rethink, okay, to give this connection a chance. But I don't know. With the Two of Cups and Six of Wands, I feel that this person, you know what, this person is somebody who has met someone who gives them time, who keeps them as a priority, who does invest a lot on this person, and which is why they are moving forward. Okay, this is somebody who feels, with the Two of Cups and Two of Pentacles, I feel they are choosing somebody else over you, Libra. Let's see the advice. We'll see what advice do we have for you, Libra, in this connection. We'll see the advice that we have for you. I don't know, see, Seven of Swords here. I think this had come here and I did not see this card. Libra, definitely your person is involved somewhere else, like they are choosing someone else over you. So, Queen of Swords and Two of Swords, this is the advice for you. The advice is to be very sure, make a decision. Some of you, I feel that you are still confused. Maybe you have two people in your life, you're confused, who do I choose? Okay, with the Queen of Swords and Two of Swords, this definitely says that you're chasing an illusion, Libra. That's the message that I'm hearing. You're chasing an illusion. Maybe some of you, you're dealing, as I said, you are in love with somebody who doesn't love you back. With the Four of Cups here, this person does not have feelings for you. Okay, maybe they had, but not anymore. So the advice is move forward. Okay, you're still chasing and still waiting for somebody who's moving on. So you're being asked to make a decision and then stick to it. Don't stay confused. I see that you are still in a place of confusion. Let's see, will this person come back? Will this person come back to my Libra? Let's see. Yeah, they will. They will come back, Libra, but I see the Seven of Swords energy. For some of you, this person will come back. They will try to talk to you, but I don't see them very loyal still. See, with the Seven of Swords, this person will be with you, but won't be very sure for you as far as the marriage is concerned. They will come back, but I don't see them very sure of choosing you, Libra. Okay, they are going to come back, but with the Seven of Swords energy. Six of Cups has come with Seven of Swords. This definitely means that this person will come back, but their intention is still not very clear. Like they will be with you, but maybe will explore other people. Okay, I don't see them very clear about you, Libra, so be careful. That is why I'm getting this advice, you know, Two of Swords and Queen of Swords. This means that face the reality, don't chase illusion. Some of you, you're not willing to face the reality. Like you are so much emotionally invested on this person that you can't let them go. It's like, yeah, I see you finally moving on, but emotionally you are still connected to this person. At some level you are still connected to this person emotionally. All right, so the advice is to make a decision and face the reality. Don't chase illusion. Okay, that's the message. Let me see, I'll clarify the Six of Cups here. Let me clarify the Six of Cups. The intention towards you, Libra. The intentions towards you. We'll clarify the intention. See, this is somebody who is tired. This is somebody who has given up. So let's see. Anything that you should know about your person, Libra? Anything that's hidden from you? Anything that you should know about your person, Libra? Let's see. What is it that's hidden from you, Libra? We have the Empress, Nine of Cups and Magician. This has come here. The Empress in reverse, Nine of Cups here and Magician. Some of you, I feel that I told you guys, I don't know, some of you, you're dealing with somebody who is not very sure about you. See the Empress in reverse, Nine of Cups upright. This is somebody, some of you, you could be dealing with a narcissist, somebody who can't be with just one person, or who loves to have 2-3 people, or who loves to have many relationships. Okay, that could also be the thing. So yeah, or this is somebody who wants you to chase them. This is somebody who wants things their way. It's like they want everything their way. They are not ready to listen to what you want. They are not ready to listen to how you want. They are somebody who, you know, this is somebody who will put lot of time and efforts on other people, but they will ignore you when you call them. They will not respond to your message immediately when you message them. This is somebody who will keep others a priority, but not you, Libra. I definitely see some of you, you could be dealing with a narcissist. Okay, so which is why this reading is so negative. Whatever it is, you're being asked to stick to the decision that you have made, like move on. Okay, that's the message that I'm getting here. So let's see, what do we have in store for my Libra. Libra, some of you, I think you have met somebody. This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The challenge is to focus on that person. The challenge is to make a decision and then pursue it. Okay, don't just give up. Like whatever you do, Libra, do it wholeheartedly. Either you do it 100% or you just don't do it. Don't do anything half-heartedly. See, either some of you, you have met, because see, we have 2 people here. Okay, for some of you definitely are waiting, you don't have anybody else. But for some of you with the King of Pentacles, I see this could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn you may have met, or you could have met a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You're being asked to make a decision and then stick to it, and then invest your time, put efforts here. See, nothing in life we get easily, Libra. Okay, so we have to put efforts to get some things. If you want love, you have to put efforts. If you want loyalty, you have to be loyal. If you want commitment, you have to give commitment. See, universe is made in such a way that whatever we give to universe comes back to us 10 times. If I'm putting love out, I will get love 10 times back. If I'm giving loyalty, I'm going to get loyalty 10 times back in return. See, basically this is something that's telling you, make a decision and that invest. Don't be fickle minded. Okay, it's like at times you feel like being with this person, at times you feel like going back to this person. No, don't be fickle minded. Make a decision and then stick to it. Stay loyal to your connection. That's the message, Libra. Because universe, God, they do judge us. Okay, so we get what we are. We don't get what we want. We get what we are. So you want a particular type of person, you have to be that person first. You cannot expect the best person on this universe while being somebody who does things secretly. Okay, so you have to be the best version of yourself to attract the right King of Pentacles or the right Queen of Pentacles, Libra. Okay, so this is something that's in store for you, but maybe you're not paying attention, Libra. Some of you, you're still stuck with this person. Like, see, 10 of Swords, you are literally hurt. You could be crying, you could be crying for this person, and like, universe, see the world, you're not willing to change, you're not willing to move forward, you're stuck on this person, Libra. Okay, so that's the message. Now let's see, how does your person view you as, Libra? We'll see how does this person view you as. I think this person views you as a very divine soul. You could be someone who loves to live in peace. Okay, this person sees you as a very spiritual energy. So they feel that you are divinely connected to universe. They feel that you are very honest. They feel that you are very loyal. They feel that you are a pure soul. Okay, with the star, this person definitely thinks high about you, Libra. Okay, they really value you. It's just that somehow I don't see them connecting to you. Okay, Let me see, why are they not connecting to you? I will pull one card. Knight of Pentacles, because they don't, I see that this person is not very sure. With the Knight of Pentacles, this is somebody who is very slow. They are thinking. It's like they only think, they don't act. This is somebody who thinks a lot but they don't act. This is somebody who wants everything but then they are not willing to put efforts. So this cannot happen, right? This cannot happen. You cannot just expect and not give. So this is somebody who is just expecting things from you but is not willing to do things for you. And universe has seen that. Universe has seen that. Universe has seen that how loyal have you been for this person, which is why universe wants to remove this person from your life and give you somebody who is a King of Pentacles, who is a Queen of Pentacles, or this is somebody who is this 10 of Cups, like somebody who is going to be much more stable. You're going to be much more happier with this person, Libra. Okay, why are they not happy with my Libra? Let's see one more message. We'll see what was the issue. Why did they reject you? Judgment and 9 of Wands. You know, for some of you, I don't know, you're dealing with somebody who doesn't trust you, Libra. You know, I always believe that we see the world with our own lenses. It's like whatever we are, we feel that the other person is also like that. So see, this is somebody who is doing things secretly. This is somebody who is in the 9 of Wands and 7 of Swords energy. This is somebody who may have cheated on you, and just because they are cheating, they think you are also cheating. It's their loss, Libra, not yours. Okay, this is somebody who doesn't trust you because they have been cheating, they have been lying, which is why they feel that you are also doing the same. But they don't know your side of story. They don't know that how loyal you have been. They don't know that how much you have loved them. But it's their loss, Libra. Universe is telling you that move forward. Whatever doesn't serve you, whatever is leaving you, is because universe doesn't want this person to be with you. That's because maybe God has seen, universe has seen how loyal. See, you have been so loyal towards this person. God knows it. You don't have to prove it to anybody else. God knows it. Universe knows it, that how loyal you have been towards this person. And what has this person done to you? They made a decision which is a bad judgment. If you see the 7 of Swords, this is somebody who is going to regret their decision in the future. This is somebody who is going to regret this decision in the future. But doesn't really matter, because I see you in the King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, 10 of Cups energy. Whatever they did is good for you. You won't know it now, Libra. You will know it later. Okay, just because they are out of your life, universe is going to bring somebody who is much more stable, who will be much more committed to you, who will be there for you when you really need them. You are not going to date a ghost who will ghost you. You are not going to date somebody who will leave you or who will be with other people while being with you. Universe is going to send you a family man or a family woman, somebody who will be loyal to you, somebody who will be committed to you, somebody who will be there for you when you really need them. Okay, so people, you know, God always gives you chances. It's like you keep missing chances. This is somebody who lost you, Libra. Okay, this is somebody who has lost you. I think maybe God saw how loyal you were towards this person, so which is why universe is removing them, so that there is room for this King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles in your life, Libra. Okay, but one thing is for sure, whoever they have chosen, Libra, this is somebody who is going to cheat them in the future. See, we have the 7 of, this person is going to, it's like judgment. With the judgment, this person is going to get the karma back. Like whatever they did to you is going to happen to this person very soon. Could be 2, 3 years, 5 years or 7 years, because these years are very prominent in this reading. Okay, this is going to take time but will happen eventually, Libra. Okay, so I think that was that, Libra. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is by your side. This means you are definitely moving forward towards a new life, new direction, and new love awaits you, Libra. This is a beautiful life. You won't know it. See, Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands. This definitely says that you're not paying attention to some things that universe has given you. See, you're still with the 4 of Pentacles in reverse. You have to be open to what universe is giving you. It's like you may see, I don't know, I'm getting a message internally, Libra. The message is don't reject. Like some of you, you're rejecting this person. Okay, Ace of Wands. This could be an Aries, Leo, Saggy. This could be who are you rejecting? Just a sec. This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Virgo. So some of you, you're rejecting somebody who is a strong commitment. So be careful, okay? Follow your heart. I always believe that your heart guides you right. You will always get the right message through your heart. So follow your heart, because that's how God guides us, okay? God guides us through heart. This is what I believe in. So follow your heart. Do what your heart says. Be with the person you get peace with, okay? If you get peace with this person, then that's the right person for you, okay, Libra? So some of you, you are stuck. Like see, 4 of Pentacles and 7 of Wands. This means you're still struggling to get this person's love back. Some of you, you're still stuck over this person. Like you're not willing to let them go from your life. You're still stuck. You're still fighting for their time and attention. You're still fighting. Maybe this person has options and you're still fighting to make room in their heart for you, Libra, okay? So you're being asked to change, move forward. Some things that's not serving you, leave them behind, okay? Universe is with you. If one person doesn't value you, it doesn't mean that everybody on this earth will not respect you or will not value you, Libra, okay? So follow your heart. You deserve love. You deserve a good life. You are a beautiful soul and you will get that. See, we get what we are. If you are a beautiful soul, you will get a beautiful soul, Libra, okay? That's the message that I'm getting intuitively. So some of you, you're being asked to feed birds. If you have a pet, maybe you have a pet, or even if you don't have a pet, that's the message that I see, because I saw a lot of knights in this reading. So you're being asked to feed animal, you're being asked to be compassionate towards animal. If you can do something for animals, that would help you in the longer run. Maybe it will help you earn good deeds in the future, Libra, okay? That's the message here. So let me pull love messages. Libra, let's see what messages do we have for you from this deck, okay? We'll see what messages do we have for you from this deck. Okay, the first is mutual attraction and the second is regret, guilty, self-sabotage. Mutual attraction, I said some of you, you're connecting with somebody else. It's just that you're not making a decision. You're not very forthcoming in moving forward, but I do see that you're attracted towards somebody, okay? Maybe there is somebody, I said, I already saw that there is a King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, somebody in your life who's already there. This is a new person. Maybe there is this mutual connection, but you're not very you're not taking steps to take this forward. That is what I see. Some of you, you're feeling guilty and you regret losing this person, okay? This is somebody who didn't value you, so you are in this energy like you're blaming yourself. Don't blame yourself, Libra. Don't blame. I feel very sad. See, if somebody doesn't respect you, if somebody doesn't give you the time and attention that you deserve, if somebody gives the same amount of time and attention to somebody else over you, it means that that person doesn't respect you. It means that that person doesn't value you. So why do you want to be with a person who doesn't value you and respect you? You are much more than you think, Libra. You are a beautiful soul. You are God's child. You'll get the best in life. God will keep sending you options. There is somebody who is made for you. There is somebody who is made for you, and this person will treat you like a prince or like a princess, okay? So don't ever be in this energy where you feel that I have nobody, who will I connect to, I'm feeling sad, I'm feeling lonely. No, God is there with you. Universe is by your side. Don't you see? Didn't I show you? See, this is what is waiting for you with the 10 of Cups. This is what is coming for you next. So this doesn't mean that you have to stay stuck in this energy, Libra. You are meant for a beautiful life. Somebody who didn't treat you right, let them go. You cannot give chances after chances after chances to somebody who doesn't respect you or who doesn't treat you right. Okay, this is somebody, let them go. Why you want to even think about this person? Okay, don't think about this person, just move forward. And don't be in this energy where you are maybe some of you are drinking a lot, or you are not talking to people around you. You may have isolated yourself, or you're refusing to move forward in life, Libra. No, okay, please don't do that. You deserve a beautiful life. This is your life. You are the creator of your destiny. You are the creator of your destiny. You attract what you are. You will get what you want. Okay, so don't be in this energy and don't stay stuck over somebody who didn't treat you right, Libra. That's the message. Move forward. This is a beautiful life. Universe is by your side. You'll be sent options after options, still you find the right person, Libra. Okay, so just don't be in this energy. So let's see, Libra, what else do we have? Pay attention to your health. Some of you are being asked to pay attention to your health. Maybe your health is weak, or you are recovering, or you are just ignoring your health. Okay, so you're being asked to pay attention to your health, Libra. So one more message for my Libra, please. Yeah. You are my crush. Oh my God, there's somebody else in your life, Libra. I told you there is somebody else and you are their crush. Like they have a crush on you and they love you. It's just that maybe things are at a very initial phase right now. Okay, so there is somebody who has an eye on you. This person loves you. This person has feelings for you, but maybe it's too new and they're just going with the flow right now. Okay, for this could be for singles also. So there's somebody around you, singles, who has a crush on you and mutual attraction. For some of you, you've already met and you both are taking things forward. Like this could be baby steps, but you are heading forward. Okay, so that's the message. So one more card, Libra. Let's see one final message for you, Libra. We'll see one final message for you. Okay, see, your person feels, I thought we had something, I guess not. This person feels that maybe they thought that you both had a connection, but then they have realized that they thought, but it was not there. I said that this person was emotionally unavailable, Libra. This person was, I told you, this person felt that this relationship had a potential, but then they realized that no. Okay, some things in their heart may have said to them that it's not going anywhere, or they don't have feelings for you, or as I said, this person was involved somewhere else. So whatever it is, they felt that they had a connection with you, but eventually they came to this realization where they realized that no, it's not going any forward. Okay, so that was that, Libra. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. You guys take care, be safe, bye.